I slept very peaceful last night just thinking about my Island Style mussels. They're sweet, spicy, creamy, and full of flavor. And everybody from the island is going to love this dish. But guess what? It's 12 o'clock and it's lunchtime, and these mussels is on the menu. But before I get started, I'm gonna wash my hands. Mussel time. So I have me a pound and a half of farm-raised mussels. So when you're dealing with wild-caught mussels, farm-raised mussels, you want to make sure that you give them a good soaking and a good rinsing on the water to remove all that sand that mussels have. And another thing about mussels too that you should know, that mussels have a little beard on the side of the mussel. So when you're cleaning the mussel, you want to make sure that you remove that beard because it's fibrous and you don't want to eat it. And another tip about mussels too, that if you want to know if your mussels are alive or dead, just simply pick one up, and if it's open and you close them down, he's alive. If he doesn't do that, out of the kitchen he goes. But these mussels right here are already clean and ready to go, so it's time to make the mussel stock. Let's cook these mussels. So I got this pan preheated over a medium-high heat, because when you cook the mussels, you want to make sure that the pan is nice and hot and ready to go. So I'm going to drop in some oil from a little squirt bottle. I love using this. I'm going to swirl the pan around a little bit. And it's smoking. So in goes the mussels. And 1 cup of Chardonnay. I'm going to cook these mussels for 5 minutes until they open up. But in the meantime, while the mussel's cooking, let's get a little workout on with cutting up my vegetables now. So I got a little workout going on with cutting up all of these delicious vegetables. I need a 1/2 cup of diced red peppers, a 1/2 cup of diced yellow onions, a 1/2 cup of sliced leeks, and a tablespoon of ginger and garlic. I'm about to cut this up and put them in the bowl and get ready to cook them. So the mussels have been cooking for 5 minutes. Look at them. Open up and they look so freaking good. So I'm about to pour these mussels in my bowl and save the juice in the mussels so I can make my coconut curry sauce. So freaking good. I can't wait to try these mussels. Let's cook these veggies now. So my preheated pan over medium heat. I'm going to add in some oil in the same pan. I put the mussels in. And in goes the veg. Hear that sound? The sound of goodness. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to it for seasoning and flavor. So I'm going to let my veggies cook for 3 minutes until they are almost tender. Then I'm gonna add in the other ingredients. So the veggies are done, but I forgot to tell you this. But if you can't find bok choy, you can use leeks like I'm using today. They're gonna be really good though. So now, let's make the coconut curry sauce. So in goes the mussel juice, all that flavor. A teaspoon of brown sugar. A 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little bit of heat. Not too much heat. A tablespoon of curry powder. And some good old coconut milk. Now, if you find that the coconut milk is kind of thick, add some water to it like I'm about to do, because this milk right here is really thick, but it's really good. So, get you some of this. Some water now. And some salt and pepper. I'm going to let this sauce cook, for 5 minutes. Then that's it. So the sauce is done. Look how creamy and luscious it look. Let's try it. It's gonna be hot, but it's gonna be so good. So good. Now, to pick this dish up. Man, look at my Island Style mussels. They look so darn delicious. Let's try one. Get me some, a little bit of lime, squeeze it on the mussels. Even more better. Now I'm gonna get me a little mussel. And some of the sauce. Everything going on it. Bottoms up. Creamy, sweet, spicy. You can really taste that lime at the end. It must be so good, it might put me back to sleep. See you next time on My Personal Chef. Peace.